Ray has two channels. The first channel is Rainman Ray's Repairs. The second channel is Rainman Ray Off Duty. The other option for monetization for this channel is the use of live streams. So now this channel can get super chats from live stream. Another source of monetization for this channel is the email address. There are links to Patreon and their website. To determine the AdSense revenue for this channel, I will be needing two factors. The first factor is the total number of views each of the channels have gotten in the last 30 days. I'll be dividing that number by 1,000 views, then multiplying the results by the RPM of $2. The original RPM for these channels, because of it's an automobile channel, might be higher than $2, but I am choosing $2 for this video. Rainman Ray's Repair channel has gotten a total number of 4.5 million views. Using the RPM of $2, this channel has generated an estimated revenue of $9,000 in the last 30 days. Rainman Ray Off Duty channel got 137,000 views in the last 30 days. Using the RPM of $2, this channel has generated an estimated revenue of $274 in the last 30 days. This is the end of the video. Until the next one, peace.